Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can free up space on Instagram by deleting unwanted Instagram Reels drafts. So if you got lots of drafts on your reels, Instagram reels, you can easily clear it up by following these steps that I'm going to show you. Because if your Instagram gets your Instagram consumes so much space, then it might be facing some error, or your Instagram mic not working properly. So here through this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete those real drafts. So first, you can just go to the Instagram apps. Let's launch Instagram, and then you can just go to your profiles in here and then head to the reels buttons in here, and you can see the drafts option. So when you click on that, you'll see lots of your Instagram reel drafts that you can manage in here. So if you click on info at the top, so about draft, you can see that drafts are stored on your device. So if you uninstall the Instagram apps, all your drafts will be lost. So if you are sure or confirm that you want to delete these drafts, you can just click on the three dots icon beside the draft, and there will be this option delete. You can do that, and Instagram will ask again delete draft. Just click on delete again. If you want to delete all of the draft, you can just follow, you can just repeat the steps until all of these drafts are deleted. So there's no feature yet where you can select all the draft and delete it at once. Okay, you can click on the three dots and tap on delete. So I repeat again that the drafts are stored on your device. That means that it might consume your device space. So I'm suggesting you to delete it regularly, or check if there's any draft that you can delete so that you can free up some space on your device. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on a thanks and a like button, and also subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us to create more videos. And if you have any question, you can also leave comments down below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.